250 for what do you call it, the C corp other C corporations, and let's just say the marginal rate would be 37%, and this one is 35%. So how much would be the taxes under this one, the LLC? 185. 185,000, and in here 87,500. Why is it more? Okay, let's just use this one for now for illustration purposes. So the taxes on the individual level at this point is 185 versus the 87,500. But 52,500 plus 87,500, how much is that? 140.